without harming the rest of the world. None of us who are in fashion ever think that sustainable management is about, for instance, colors. All of you think that, oh, to be environmentally sound, all your dresses should be green. Now, white, for instance, is the most dangerous of all cloth because it requires bleach, and bleach destroys water. Usi tarike se, there are so many other colors that are completely dangerous to our survival. I was in Pali, and there where there's no water, there's just one river that runs through Pali. That entire river is bright red, bright orange. You put a finger inside and your finger won't come back. And it's got dead bodies of birds and cows throughout on that river. Why? Because it's absorbing the entire downstream product of the entire fabric coloring units that exist in Pali, which service the whole of India. But it hasn't occurred to us that maybe we should look for more sustainable colors. If IAM could do projects that were about sustainable colors, sustainable materials, rather than sustainable things or turning denim jeans into denim skirts just because they're waste. Even buttons. I mean, since you do have a project on buttons, why not look at buttons that are not from bone, that are not from things that require killing or harm. There are thousands of things that we could do with sustainable, and you are lucky that you have people who are innovative and who have tried over the years to make things better. Sunil Sethi, for instance, is one of my great heroes. He has done more for fashion than anybody else by providing marketing platforms, encouraging innovation. Maybe he could, you could start a class on just sustainable living. Now, for instance, silk. Whether you color silk green or you color silk blue, one sari of silk uses over 50,000 butterflies which are boiled to death. What's the point of it? Even if they weren't boiled to death, the point is they grow only on a particular kind of tree, which is the mulberry. The mulberry tree, again, you cut down vast swathes of forest and you plant these small stunted mulberry trees so that you can have food for the silkworms. It's not sustainable. It's not sustainable. You need to look at more sustainable forms of silk, which are ahimsa silk, in which you use the cocoon after the butterfly has gone. And that comes mainly from the northeast, from oak, if I'm not mistaken, Jayaji. So you need to look at getting rid of things in which you maim, kill, in which forests are cleared for fashion. Because at the end of the day, if you simply concentrate on painting things green or turning one product into another unnecessary product, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. And IAMS is far too good to waste on short-sighted things. I'm glad Jayaji is here. She has done far more to make fashion into a daily affair, into producing truly beautiful things, and we are lucky to have her. Of course, Laila ji, everybody knows, and we look forward to her exhibitions here and to all the wonderful things that she's done. I thank you again for inviting me. Look at this deeply. Maybe I can do a paper and send it here for you to just look at different things. What is cotton? What is BT cotton? Why should it be used or why should it not be used? Should we be using sustainable cotton? Why have we let Khadi go? I was in Khadi Gramodyog yesterday. I was just complaining to Sunilji and Jayaji. I couldn't find one design in the whole of Khadi Gramodyog in Connaught Place where any Sharif human being would buy it. The same designs were of 1960s. So I spoke to the minister, Kalraj Mishra, yesterday, and I said, why don't you get an institute to give you 1,000 designs and make those in thans that people can restart wearing khadi kurtas, because that is a sustainable product. These are the areas the IAMS should concentrate its science on. Everything else is so superficial that it doesn't seem worth 5 years or 4 years just to simply know how to cut and tailor a dress without understanding what part of India goes into it. I'm sure that you will look at this in future, and I'd be happy to give you any more directions that I could. Thank you.